See now, the 5 shuttles are here.
Yes.
Check. What happened?
Stop.
Steady. Flight is steady. We will home the lift. Shall we say?
Home position.
No, we cannot see, but it will go down. See. Remember during your PM, no?
How we come to know it's reached by the light becomes steady?
Become steady.
Okay.
So when you reach this condition, now you can come. I will reset. It will boot again. Wait for a while. You see, during boot up, you would see the telescope will move little. Just observe. It will take some time, a few seconds. Then, if you would see the telescope moving, it is homing. And it will go here. This is the reflector.
It will go where?
Come here. This is the reflector that I'm telling you. So there are two, here and there. So after boot up, it will go here, then it will hold. Then here to there.
This
But if
reflector.
it is, if we did not touch this one, it will not come. Shall we say remove this one? So during homing, it will come. We will see this one after. See now it moved little, no?
Yes.
Oh, now
Yeah.
it is homing now. See, you see the telescope? It
Yeah.
moved, no?
Yeah, it's moved.
See? So now it is in home position. Now it will move. There is a command, so it will go already there. So put that one in. We put forward, no?
Yes.
Put it in reverse.
No, at that time we put reverse.
This
If you would carry the HMI, yes, there is handle, handle this one, like handle this. This. Red dot, the red dot will be in front of you. Okay. Remove and fix. Switch.
क्या भाई
S is very beautiful.
उसका सामान गया?
सामान गया? यही डोरा है ना?
कहाँ पीछे है गया
पीछे गया।
नहीं देख के आ जा क्या चलो तू ही देख ले आओ
चलो तुम्हें आज एक मारी पाट कर चलो तुम्हें अगले में बस एक का फायदा बा कि तू यहीं घुस जा
के में
सूते भी चांस है
तू ही देखो खाली कौन आवा था
देखो ना बहुत स्पीड में होता बाबू
अरे कैसे चलिए वैसे चलिए
3 मीटर का कितना पैसा देते ये स्टॉक है 3 मीटर 32 सेकंड और इसका ये कर पता लिफ्ट का तो सही है ना
Lift is good.
या
Yes, I think. Yeah, set 2 or 3. Settle.
2 या 3 है नहीं तो 3 तो इसका है ना
Yeah?
Minute 30 seconds. एक सौ चालीस
Somebody by mistake came inside. So
7.
they already placed this one so that for new guys
Generation.
it will not be difficult.
वो कह रहा है कि अगर कहीं फॉल्ट हुआ है और तो वहाँ बनाने आना है और मतलब यदि इसमें गैप नहीं है तो इसको उठा के आपको उसमें रखना है।
Remember this one that I told you? There is like
वो
this
फाल्ट हुआ
one.
तो वो वहीं खड़ा
Yes.
So that it will not go there. But there in OS it's not happen so much, but in MS that's why we have some crash because if it move there
रहेगा।
will come out.
रील बना होता है।
Okay.
will fell down. So if shuttle came, that crash. So when you come inside, always remember bus bar is always on right side.
Yes.
Right side the position is here, bus bar.
Yes.
When live, if you put bypass, as per TVT earlier, no, if you put bypass, they say you are doing something. This is live. This is 60 volts.
What is the voltage of
60.
60 volt?
हो गया ना उधर
DBC.
क्या
So actually for this one, these are the positioning.
हाँ बताओ तो
रुक गया।